Key Polymer SlipStop is an additive that, when mixed into Floor Restore, embeds long-lasting traction into wooden, dry van trailer floors. Tested and shown by the American National Standards Institute to enhance friction between moving and stationary objects, SlipStop is designed to keep drivers and warehouse workers on their feet and on the job. Floor Restore provides traction similar to that of an untreated trailer floor. Adding SlipStop to the mix optimizes the working surface to substantially lower the risk of slips and falls. SlipStop can be blended with Floor Restore and applied to a trailer floor at any stage in the life of the unit. But such applications are especially valuable for new trailers. Floor Restore will seal and protect a brand new floor at its peak condition, while SlipStop will add sure-footed safety for all who walk and work in that trailer for years to come. Adding SlipStop is easy and adds minimal cost to a Floor Restore application. Simply pour SlipStop into the Floor Restore when mixing, and then apply the Floor Restore in the usual manner. When the product cures, it will not only look great, but will produce a permanent, high-friction work surface. SlipStop and all other Key Polymer transportation products are available throughout North America from leading trailer dealers and parts suppliers. To locate your nearest dealer, or if you have questions, please call 978-683-9411 or email us at sales@keypolymer.com. For complete details on all Key Polymer products, visit keytransportationproducts.com. Key Polymer SlipStop, the proven, durable way to provide enhanced footing for your drivers and employees while protecting your wooden trailer and truck body floors for years to come.